Hello, everyone! Welcome back to the Mr. English Flow channel, where speaking English is simple and exciting. I'm Emily.
And I am Henry. Did you hear that sound? That was my stomach. Ugh, I am so hungry.
I think everyone heard it, Henry. You sound very hungry.
Ugh, I am starving, Emily. I could eat a horse.
Please don't eat a horse. But this is perfect timing, because today we are going to talk about how to order food at a restaurant.
Ugh, food! Finally, a delicious topic.
Yes, going to a restaurant is fun, but ordering in English can be scary.
It is. I usually just point at the picture and nod. This.
We can do better than that. Today, we will learn polite phrases to get exactly what you want.
Okay, I am ready. Let's pretend we are at a restaurant.
Good idea. First step, you enter the restaurant. If you have reserved a table before, you say,
I have an appointment? Like at the barber?
close, but for restaurants, we usually say reservation. I have a reservation under the name Henry.
I have a reservation. Okay, but what if I didn't call before?
Then you ask for a table. You say, a table for two, please.
A table for two, please. Simple.
So we sit down. The waiter brings you the menu.
The menu. So many choices.
Usually, the waiter asks about drinks first. Can I get you started with something to drink?
I want water.
Okay, but remember to be polite. Don't just say, I want water. Say, I would like some water, please, or can I have some water?
I would like some water, please.
And they might ask, sparkling or still?
Sparkling? Like a diamond?
No, sparkling water has bubbles, like soda. Still water has no bubbles, just normal water.
Ah, I see. I like bubbles. I'll have sparkling water, please.
Great! Now the food. The menu usually has appetizers and main courses.
Appetizers. Those are the small plates, right? Like starters?
Correct. Soup, salad, chicken wings. And the main course is the big meal.
Okay, I am ready to order. Waiter! Waiter!
Oh, Henry, no. In English-speaking countries, we don't shout waiter. We just make eye contact or raise a hand slightly.
Oh, okay. Like this?
Much better. So, tell me what you want.
I want the burger. Give me the burger.
Henry, remember your manners. Give me is very rude.
Oops, sorry. What should I say?
Use the magic phrase, I'll have, or I would like.
I'll have the burger, please.
Perfect. And the waiter will ask, how would you like that cooked?
Cooked? With fire?
Yes, but they mean the meat. Rare, medium, or well done.
Explain, please.
Rare is red inside. Medium is pink. Well done is brown and fully cooked.
I don't like red meat, so well done, please.
Good choice. And maybe you want a side dish?
French fries. Always fries.
So you say, does that come with fries?
Does that come with fries?
Yes, and if not, you can order them as a side.
Okay. I have my water, my burger, my fries. Now I eat. Nom nom nom.
Enjoy your meal, Henry.
That was delicious. But now I am full. I want to go home.
Then we need to pay. How do you ask for the money paper?
How much is it?
You can say that, but usually we ask for the check or the bill in the UK.
So, can I have the bill, please?
Exactly. Or simply, check please, and you can make a signing motion with your hand.
Check, please.
And don't forget the tip.
The tip. Extra money for the waiter.
Yes, in many countries like the US, it is very important. Usually 15 or 20%.
Got it. Service was good, so I will give a good tip.
You are a gentleman, Henry.
I feel confident now. No more pointing at pictures.
Let's review the key phrases.
A table for two, please. I would like, or I'll have, sparkling or still water.
How would you like that cooked? Can I have the bill, please?
And don't shout waiter.
Exactly. Just eye contact.
Emily, talking about food made me hungry again.
You just ate a pretend burger.
But I want a real burger. Let's go to a restaurant.
Okay, let's go. But you have to order in English.
Deal.
Friends, thank you for joining us for dinner. For this lesson.
We hope you are not too hungry now. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Pizza? Sushi? Burgers? Let us know.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time. Bon appetit.
Bye!
Henry, don't eat the paper.